What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater here with Chris.
Hey.
What's going on, guys? We got a very exciting announcement for you. We are going to be launching a brand new category for JTR speakers. We actually are doing the exclusive on this deal. Chris, give them the lowdown.
Yeah, so you guys know JTR, the band, the name is synonymous with performance, right? They're big, they're very interesting looking, and they sound incredible. So what JTR is doing is they're launching a dealer brand. So what that means is in conjunction with their normal line that they already have, which is JTR, which already has Prestige, they're starting to launch this more prosumer-based lineup, which is going to be, you know, really for those people that want to get the closest to the theater experience and bring it home. So it's one of those premium brands that we're bringing on. We're gonna go check these things out in person. We're out here we're boots on the ground in South Carolina. We started out in Greer, and now we're headed up to Landrum.
Greenville.
Yeah, right. Both.
Yeah.
Anyways, so we're headed up to Landrum to go check these things out, test them, hear them, put our fingerprints on them, you know, really get the whole JTR, JRT experience. So it's
pretty exciting, guys. We're actually doing the exclusive on this. We're taking the pictures, we're creating the videos. We're gonna be your official authorized nationwide dealer that is getting first hands-on experience. So we're gonna be showing you guys these things in detail, like Chris said, actually doing demos and everything. I mean, it's pretty exciting. He set up a whole banquet hall just for us to premiere this to you guys, and I couldn't be more excited. So
yeah, it's like breaking news. Like whenever you're watching the news, you know, like we are the people bringing this out to you guys. So I think it's really cool that we're a part of this.
So make sure you smash that subscribe button down below, because we got a load of content coming for you guys. I think that's all we got for you. Till next time, this is Zach and Chris with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.
Later.
On to the next one.